National immigration debate is playing out locally through a deadly crash in Cayuga County. Sheriff's deputies there say Alberto Perez Velasquez was drunk when he crashed into a tractor in Weedsport on Sunday, killing Mark Knapp. The main immigration issue here arises from what happened before the crash. Kayla Green joins us now with that. Kayla.
Adam, the suspect is an undocumented immigrant from Guatemala who doesn't have a driver's license. And before that crash, he also had a pending charge for an aggravated DWI arrest in Wayne County last month. At that time, police released him with an appearance ticket. A month later, this crash. This week, Immigration and Customs Enforcement is saying no one would have died had Perez Velasquez been detained as requested. New York State Police say they arrested Alberto Perez Velasquez on October 18th on DWI and other charges. Police say Perez Velasquez didn't have a valid ID, and police contacted U.S. Customs and Border Protection to identify him. CBP says they couldn't question him because he was intoxicated. They asked police to hold him until they arrived. Troopers brought Perez Velasquez to the Wayne County Jail, but were told he didn't qualify for pre-arraignment detention. He was released with appearance tickets. The head of the 7th Judicial District, Craig Doran, says that didn't have to happen, saying there are no court policies which prevented Alberto Perez Velasquez from being brought before a judge for arraignment or from being detained pre-arraignment. The Wayne County Sheriff's Office agreed, claiming even if this weren't immigration related, they could have held him, saying police services may choose to hold an arrestee in their custody until one of the two daily prescribed centralized arraignment times occur, if the arrest does not meet the requirements of this agreement. But state police say they don't have their own jail cells to hold people until arraignment, again saying they were left in this case without options. Those with Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, disagrees. Even though they weren't the agency called on this, they said, had Mr. Perez Velasquez been detained by ICE after his October 2019 DUI arrest, a life might have been spared. U.S. Customs and Border Patrol, the agency that was called and asked that he be detained, did not take a position on the release, telling us they stand by the state police's statement. Perez Velasquez has been charged with vehicular manslaughter, DWI, and leaving the scene of an accident. He is currently being held on $50,000 bail and is back in court tonight. In the newsroom, Kayla Green, News 8.
Kayla, thank you. Judge Doran emphasized before Sunday's crash, Perez Velasquez was not brought before a Wayne County court for arraignment. He also did not appear in Wayne County court for any charges in the county.